In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign editing permissions on Cloudflare. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your dashboard, how to enable editing permissions, and how to control the time window those permissions are active. First, open your Cloudflare account and sign into the dashboard. Make sure you're using an account with the authority to change account level settings, since only users with sufficient access will be able to manage editing permissions. If you manage multiple accounts, double check that you've selected the correct one in the account switcher so you don't update the wrong environment. Once you're in, click Manage Account. You'll typically find this from your account menu or in the left-hand navigation, depending on your dashboard layout. This takes you to the area where you can adjust settings that apply across the account, not just a single website or application. Next, go to Configuration. Think of configuration as the control center for how your account behaves. It's where Cloudflare groups together important options that affect access, safety, and day-to-day operations. Inside configuration, look for the section labeled Preferences. Preferences is where Cloudflare places toggles and defaults that influence how actions are allowed or restricted for users on your account. This is exactly where we'll enable editing permissions. Now, find the option for editing permission. Toggle it on to allow editing. When you do, you'll be prompted to select the time you want to grant this permission. Choose a duration that matches the work that needs to happen, whether it's a brief window for a quick configuration change or a longer block for a planned maintenance period. Keeping this window as short as possible is a good security practice because it limits how long elevated access is available. After selecting the time, click Approve to confirm. The change takes effect immediately and the permission will automatically expire at the end of the time you specified. A few tips as you finish up. If you don't see the editing permission toggle, you may not have the right role on the account, or you might be viewing a different account than you intended. Switch accounts if necessary, or check with an administrator to confirm your access. It's also helpful to communicate the exact time window to your team so they can complete their edits before the access ends. Finally, when the task is done, verify that everything looks correct and note the expiration time so you're aware when the elevated access will close. That's it. You've opened your Cloudflare account, gone into Manage Account, navigated to Configuration, located Preferences, and toggled on editing permission with a set time and approval.